Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to remove fuel rail pressure sensor on your M57 engine. You will first need to remove the intake manifold. I will put the video either in the description or the top right side of your screen. First, you need to remove the connector of the pressure sensor. You need to pinch the clip in the middle of the connector. You will then need to remove the foam. This will enable you to unscrew the sensor using 27mm spanner. The fuel rail is responsible for the supply of fuel to the fuel injectors. The fuel pressure sensor ensures that your car's engine cylinders receive the right amount of fuel at the right pressure. The sensor calculates the pressure and sends the data to the ECU. Sensors in cars are susceptible to damage from the constant exposure to pollutants such as dirt, dust and heat. The fuel rail sensor is one such sensor that can be damaged quite easily. Symptoms to bad pressure sensor includes weak acceleration, difficulty starting the car, stalling, and poor fuel economy. Once you have loosened the sensor with a spanner, you can remove it with your hand. I have also put a cup under the sensor just in case if there is a fuel leak, but there wasn't. You have successfully removed your fuel rail pressure sensor. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.